What is up, guys? It is Claudius Joyer. I know it has, in fact, been a very long time since I've made a video. I do apologize. I've been really busy with stuff lately. So, sorry I haven't been able to make a video, but yeah, you know, the whole coronavirus thing taking over the world. But I just want to make this video to catch up with you guys real quick. Hope everything's okay. Hope you guys are doing good, making sure you're washing your hands, staying safe, and overall, just wanted to catch up with you guys. So, I know I haven't been uploading a lot, but I promise you guys I have plenty of videos that I've already pre-recorded. It's just that I've been having a lot of issues uploading lately. I actually need to call YouTube because of my ad issues. I have my AdSense code, but it's not letting me plug it in, so yeah, I have to figure that out. But otherwise, I just wanted to make sure you guys are okay. Plenty of videos will be coming out soon. I don't want to waste your guys' time too much, but yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys updated with that, and hope you're staying safe. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.